We started Cementech University because of just the environment we are in these days. So a lot of people go to college, a lot of people don't come into manufacturing these days. So we decided to come up with Cementech University to give people a stepping stone into a manufacturing environment instead of the traditional college route. Welding is my main priority right now, but we also do our assembly departments. There's a couple different stations that we work through, and our electrical departments. We can customize, we can cater to individual needs depending on schedules or depending on competencies and background, their skill level. We will cater a program to the individual's needs. We can train any demographic. Old, young, does not matter. Our training programs are different time periods for different stations. So some of our stations are a little bit easier to comprehend, so they take a little less time. They could be 1 week, 2 weeks, and they could go up to 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the skill level needed to complete that station. We will hire anybody that wants to get their hands dirty, anybody that wants to see a tangible built part in front of them. We will train anybody that wants to try something new. This is somebody that doesn't necessarily have the background in manufacturing. They could come from a farming background, they could come from a white-collar background, change of scenery, anything like that. So this is a fairly new program, but every single person that has came through my program is succeeding out in the shop as of so far. So we've got a couple guys on the belt line that are knocking it out of the park, a couple people in the assembly team as well. The families love it. So a couple of the guys that have started with me are from high schools and colleges. So we had a open house, and we had the parents come out and tour the facility and kind of explained what we were doing here, and they were enthralled with it. They love what we're trying to do here. They love trying to get people back into the trades. The culture of our company is one of the best I've ever seen. I've worked here for 6 years, and this is probably one of the best companies I've ever worked for. With the culture, with our core values, and for our benefits. My favorite thing about what I do is getting to teach people something that they have not learned before. So I get to see them progress through the training program. I get to see them get out to the floor, and I get to see them succeed in whatever task that they're doing. That's my favorite part.